In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Drive and Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to create a Google Doc, generate a QR code for its link using a simple add-on, and paste that QR code right into a document. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Drive homepage. From here, open Google Docs. You can create a new blank document or open an existing one. Either works. Inside the document, paste the URL you plan to turn into a QR code or type it out. This makes it easy to copy later and ensures you're working with the exact link you want. If others will scan this code, make sure the sharing settings of the target file allow them to view it. Next, look to the top menu and click Extensions. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Dynamic QR Code and install the add-on you see for Google Docs. You may be asked for permissions. This is standard for Workspace add-ons. Review them and continue to complete the installation. Once installed, return to the top menu, click Extensions again, and find the item labeled Dynamic QR Code Barcode Generator for Docs. From its options, choose QR Code Generator. A real-time QR Code Generator sidebar will slide in on the right side of your document. In that sidebar, click the field labeled QR Code Content. Paste the link to your Google Docs file from Drive into this field. As soon as you paste, the add-on will generate a QR code preview. If the link is long, that's okay. QR codes handle long URLs well, but make sure there's enough contrast when you ultimately place and print it. For shared documents, test the link in an incognito window to confirm access before you distribute the QR. When the QR looks good, click Copy to Clipboard right in the sidebar. That copies the generated QR image for you. Now jump back into your document or switch to any other Google Doc where you want to place it and paste. The QR code image will appear where your cursor is. You can click the image to resize it, align it with your text, or add a caption. For printing, keep it large enough to scan easily. For digital use, test it on a phone screen at the size you plan to share. And that's it. You went from Drive to Docs, installed the dynamic QR code tool, generated a code for your documents link, copied it, and pasted it into a doc, all set for sharing.